In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable call reporting in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, from the home page of Google Ads, go to the left sidebar and look for Admin. Click on it. Then, in Admin Settings, click on Account Settings. In the Account Settings, look for Call Reporting option. Click and expand it. Turn on the option to report calls from ads using Google forwarding numbers. By turning this option on, you'll get detailed information about calls you've received. You can also save your call recordings for 30 days in Google Ads if you want. Click Accept and it'll be enabled. Then click Save to apply the changes. Once enabled, Google Ads will track calls made from your ads and show call data in your reports. And that's it. That's how you enable call reporting in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.